Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another video. And I recently put up this poll, and it was just like 2 hours ago, wherein I asked you all whether you wanted me to review the ICSC 2025 physics paper like I did for maths. And guess what, not even a single one of you said no to it. So here I am quickly reviewing this paper. So let me tell you, my paper went mediocre. Now, at this point, I know a lot of you did not do well because I was going through a lot of reviews and I was going through Reddit also, wherein people have mixed opinions, and so do I. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मेरा पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया, बट ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरा पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया. So it was somewhere mediocre. I mean, there were places where I absolutely, cooked and slayed, and then कुछ जगह पे I was a little confused, maybe, whatever. And then the MCQs were sort of shit. अब अगेन यहाँ पे भी लोगों के अलग अलग ओपिनियंस हो सकते हैं, बहुत लोगों के MCQ अच्छे जा सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ लेट्स नॉट कंपेयर आवरसेल्व्स हियर. सो yeah, this was the paper and I think it was pretty alright. Although बहुत ज़्यादा conceptual paper आया था, तो मुझे लगता नहीं है कि अगर रट्टे भी किसी ने लगाए होंगे तो भी कोई फ़ायदा हुआ होगा, बिकॉज कुछ ऐसा आया ही नहीं था जिसमें यू कैन रेक्टिफाई द स्टफ एंड राइट इट डाउन इन द पेपर. तो या उसके लिए भी मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपने साल भर पढ़ा होगा और नहीं भी पढ़ा होगा और सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स देखे होंगे तो भी पेपर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा गया होगा, बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं जो रोड मेमोराइजेशन करके आपको करना था, क्योंकि मुझे तो पेपर में एक भी डेफिनेशन नहीं दिखी. सो या आई वॉज सेव्ड बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट स्टडी इतना ज़्यादा रोड लर्निंग की तरह से. एंड या दिस वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ गुड पेपर. आई वुड रेट इट लाइक अ 7 out of. So yeah, according to me the paper was all right. जैसे मैंने बोला ही, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ. And also before I take my leaves, let me tell you that please नीचे comments में comparison मत करना कि मेरा तो पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया ये वो and you guys did not study इसलिए पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया and all that. Let's just not make this the toxic place where everybody is constantly in a race to compare themselves with each other. And yes, that is it. I think I have said whatever I wanted to say about this paper. It was all right. Make sure you drop down your own opinions about the paper in the comment section below. I would love to read them. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I take my leaves and I will see you very very soon. And before I forget to mention, thank you so much for the immense love on this video that I made about the maths paper. It was very unexpected, but I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, and I will see you very very soon. All the very best for computer, economics and PEd, and bye bye. Take care.